And welcome back to our Christmas countdown quilt-along. It's December the 12th and we need to work on his pants. He's got these lovely stripes down the side, but I think rather than having more stripes like here, I'm going to go with an elongated stipple that just comes down and goes parallel here and gets straighter in the middle. And again, it needs to touch the black and the black to make it look like the pants go down into his boots and they go up underneath his jacket. So I'll show you what I mean. You can see I did something different on that side. I think I prefer that little zigzag up the stripe of his pants rather than the straight lines there. I think that's a good idea. And you can see the difference it makes when those patterns touch the black edge, continuing into the boots and under the jacket. I think that looks good. He's coming together beautifully. That's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.